Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, where we provide innovative communication and security solutions. Today, we'll explore the powerful role of video intercom systems in retail loss prevention. Retail stores face constant challenges with theft, shoplifting, and unauthorized access to restricted areas. According to industry studies, losses from theft can cost retailers billions each year. That's why smart solutions like video intercoms are becoming essential tools in loss prevention. Video intercoms allow store staff to see and communicate with anyone attempting to enter stockrooms, offices, or delivery areas. This helps ensure only authorized employees and vendors gain access, reducing the risk of internal theft and external intrusion. Deliveries are another vulnerable point. With video intercoms, managers can visually confirm drivers and shipments before opening doors, making it harder for criminals to exploit delivery routines. When integrated with surveillance cameras and access control systems, video intercoms add a layered defense strategy. Not only do they record interactions, but they also provide verifiable evidence in the event of disputes, theft, or security breaches. Key benefits of video intercoms in retail include enhanced access control for restricted areas, safe and secure communication between staff and visitors, improved customer service by allowing quick assistance at locked counters or kiosks, integration with security systems for real-time incident response. Beyond security, video intercoms improve customer service. Staff can remotely respond to customer inquiries at service counters, locked displays, or fitting rooms, creating both security and convenience. Retail loss prevention isn't just about reducing theft, it's about building safer, smarter, and more efficient stores. At Comm Systems, we install video intercom solutions that give retailers the protection and peace of mind they need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Comm Systems channel. For professional retail security solutions, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit www.dvcsny.com.